Rachel Riley. Did you know, for example...
You know those self...
Yes.
Here's another one here. Picture.
Okay. Proper version of Countdown, but they had for breakfast.
E. A. N. W. U and A and D. S and N.
Sean.
One big
Shall
one.
I get you started with one little one for John and one big one?
Big ones and the rest small, please.
All right, 4 little ones.
Well, before
Round of
John,
piss-taking is at an end.
9,
There'll be more.
10, 2 and 8, and the Richards 75 and 100. And the target... Oh, can I press it again?
Yeah, press it again, why not?
No, there's no need.
OK, the target is...
700.
We'll do it a sort of...
750.
2.
Yeah, 757.
Yeah. Rachel.
P. V.
Ooh, you know.
W.
Ah, this is...
E.
E, another vowel, please.
A. Z.
Oh, it's going well, isn't it? Oh,
And O. And... a Q.
Worst picking ever. Your time's...
Right, 4 small. 2, 4, 9, 3, and the big ones, 25 and 100. And the target, 666.
2.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
-9 equals 666.
Perfect, well done. E,
Consonant.
X,
Another consonant, please.
S,
Va
A,
another consonant, please.
P, V, and the last one, L.
there.
Also, I found...
On this team, is
Big one.
So have you... Sorry, have you...
Look.
The 2 small ones, 9 and 3.
massive.
And
nine.
your massive ones,
One of the biggest small ones.
50, 75, 125. And the target, 936.
OK.
Minus 50.
Yes.
We have...
25
5.
is 1.
Plus, I know it looks like...
4
Plus 100,
for 100
9.
times by 9 is 936.
Rachel,
Thank you, John. N,
please.
E,
And a consonant, please.
P.
J.
Anything on this show.
Better when...
H,
Another vowel, please.
I,
The vowel.
E, and M, and S.
OK. Need...
This happened.
Ah, OK.
The game, just pronounce it differently.
One for David Cameron.
44 Riley.